Hello everyone, I'm going to be doing a video to show you how to make a mob grinder. Sorry if this is laggy, it is laggy for me too, because I'm on a single player world. This is all the stuff you're going to need. Chest, hopper, lava bucket, redstone, lever, dispenser, and glass. And this is the way I make it. You can make it any other way you want, but this is just the way I make it. It's a good way. Don't worry, it's not a scam. I have it on my Xbox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, 6 across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Key. 1, 2, 3. Lag. That lag is real. Oh my god. I can't even move. Whoa. That was laggy. There'll be a door there. Lag is real. What's going on right now? Yeah, like I said, there's gonna be a door there. It's gonna be 1, 2, 6 up, 2. So 6, 6. Easy to remember. Ooh, lag. Don't worry if you think it's just you experience lag. It is lagging for me too. Probably gonna be lagging even more for you. Screencast, cause Screencast-O-Matic is it's good for recording. It's just a little laggy for your perspective. From my perspective, it's on servers it's clear. No delay on this. There's not much of a delay, but yeah. Oh, yeah, delays. Lag just is like another word for delay. Oh wait, I forgot to say. The top level, the 6th level, cannot be glass, because they're gonna need to place stuff on that. I'll just do it. Nope, and not that. Those are monster stone eggs. Stone. There we go. I'm just gonna do the top stone. This is just a way to do it. And stuff. Pig. You're not supposed to be in there. Should have placed the door. Where are those doors? Where? Find a door. Door. Yeah, and you're gonna need the door. Oh wait, I forgot you're gonna need signs. I'm so dumb. You're gonna do it 3 down below signs. I'm used to the Xbox just pushing it down, then stays down because I've been playing the Xbox recently. You definitely hear that in the background, don't you? Yeah. That is my Xbox. Because I'm actually on it right now. I don't need to write anything on this. Thunder. Oh god. Sorry guys. For some reason, in every video I have a computer on. There. Place lava all around it, even if there is lava there. So it looks like that. I didn't have the lava there, so it looks like that. Yeah, that's good. Then you're gonna need doink, doink in any corner. Place them all around. Then that's pretty much it finished. But the way I do my hoppers is a weird hopper way. I don't know hoppers. Let me check. How do you want it? There, there, there. And when you're below, you need to be shifting and then placing the hoppers on it. But I'm just doing this. I'm not gonna place the chests. So you get a general idea, then you can go on your place the chests, mine them. The hoppers come back up, and he'll do shift and place them on the chests. Then you can do this. I like doing this to glass. Just add a feature. And that's it. Oh yeah, then one more thing, because you're gonna be on survival. Moink. And yeah, you can put anything in here. I'll just do something for example. Cow. Watch. Funk. Runs around. It might not land in a hopper. So that's why that door's there, so you can go in and collect it. And yeah, that's how. Bye.